Caroline, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my green smoothie. I usually do it as a post-workout or as a meal replacement. Sometimes I'll use it as breakfast. A great way to get your greens. It's a great way to get all the nutrients you need to support your body once you're done with your workout. I'll show you guys what you'll need to make this. Okay, so first off, you'll obviously need your blender. So we have just a original one. I just use the Almond Breeze unsweetened vanilla, and I just kind of eyeball it just about till the tip of the ice. I prefer my smoothies more as thick, not really a liquid juice. The next thing I usually like to put in is the protein powder. I'm using ISO Whey Zero Protein drink powder in chocolate. You can use any protein that you prefer. A scoop of protein. We're going to add in our spinach. I'm going to just finish up the rest. It's probably about a cup of spinach. I usually will use half of an avocado, but today I'm going to use a fourth. Lately I've been realizing I have too much fat in my diet, healthy fats, but just trying to limit it a little bit. It's just about a handful of blueberries. Add in your chia seeds. I'm actually gonna add in a second one because I think I usually have a little bit more. So 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with flax seeds. And I'm gonna add in about a tablespoon. Let's do 2. Next is my collagen powder. A scoop of that. This one kind of has a weird taste, so make sure you find something that you enjoy. I don't mind the taste. I have a very bland palate, so I can handle that. Lastly is our almond butter. You can use peanut butter. I use that all the time. I've used the powdered peanut butter, but almond butter is probably my favorite. I like how it's not too sweet. This adds enough. I'm just gonna be using about a spoonful of that. And sometimes I'll add in just a splash more of almond, just a splash. So I do this every time I try to make this smoothie. I forget the cinnamon. So I just take my dog for a walk and I was just about to sit down and drink my smoothie, and I forgot cinnamon. Pour it right on the top. Just gonna lightly mix that in. Can I put the warning of don't do this at home? So always put the cinnamon in your blender.